Well, you know that substantial part of the budget has to do with security, and I cannot highlight some of the issues that are in the budget for security reasons, you know. But at least what is important is that a country like Nigeria that has over 200 million deserve the Air Force that is well funded. And there has been consistent complaint about the paucity of funds to enable the Air Force get the desired platforms to face the challenges we are facing as a nation. Happily enough, the president has intervened, you know, in the last supplementary budget. Yes. And there has been other interventions from the presidency to assist the Nigerian Air Force. This is just an addition to what we believe the legislators will have by way of intervention to ensure that the Air Force is put in a position at least to do its best to face the mounting challenges facing the country at the moment. But talking seriously, most of the equipments that Air Force needs are not issues that you can pick on the shelves. And therefore, the budgeting system that requires the Air Force to go through the budget of the National Assembly may not necessarily be a comfort intervention in view of what we are facing today as a country. So I think that we commend Mr. President for at least intervening in the supplementary budget, but I think it's important that something more is done to assist the Nigerian Air Force to face the challenges it is facing. So this, in essence, is the light, yeah.
Kidnappers are back on our highway along Katsina.
Yeah.
And then one would have expected that with the procurement of the Tucano fighter jet, we shouldn't be hearing of terrorists like that. So what's really happening?
Well, you see, it's an operational issue. I have always said it. It's one thing to have the equipment. It is another thing to use the equipment for the purpose of facing the challenges that we have. Now, kidnapping and banditry in Nigeria has defied this intervention for a number of reasons. One, you know, it's not that you have an enemy on the other side you are fighting, that you can say, okay, I will take the fight to his place and finish him. These are things that come intermittently, you know, from somewhere. So, but I do know that from my limited knowledge of security intervention, the nature and character of a crime to a larger extent will determine the control strategy. So I am of the opinion that this has to do more by empowering the police who are on ground to ensure that these areas are effectively secured. And like I have said, there is nothing that prevents the Nigerian police from getting some of these sophisticated vehicles and then to be doing surveillance on those roads so that they themselves can become victims, and then they will now know how to take care. But it is not nice that it is only when it happens that they rush there and then the kidnappers are gone. What I was thinking was that if there is a coordinated effort, that the police will report that there is an incident in this location, and then an aircraft, since it is during the daytime, can continue to hover around those people because they cannot be faster than an aircraft. Then, while it is hovering, the police should be able to have an idea of where those bandits or kidnappers are. And then some helicopter intervention can help. But you see, everybody has this is our own thinking from the ordinary man's understanding. But from their professional understanding, they might be pursuing another course. But in the end, what Nigerians are interested in is the result. We want a secured nation. We want a nation where everyone can go about his normal business without let or hindrance. And we will continue to pray that the security agents that have done their best so far will do more to ensure that these agitations and these expectations by Nigerians are met. They have not given them any take-off grant, but it's a research institution, and it has been elevated to NYC standard. So it is only fair that Nigerians can rely upon it for some of these innovations that we are going outside to buy, by investing heavily inside so that we begin to have local products for the purpose of meeting our local challenges. Thank you.
Thank you.